our goal at the 1887 Fund is to restore it back to its original state as a place for spiritual healing and respite.
These 300 acres of land, now known as the Greater West Los Angeles VA campus, were originally donated by Arcadia Bandini DeBaker and Senator John P. Jones. In 1887, an act of Congress ordered this land to be used exclusively as the Pacific branch of the National Home for Disabled Volunteer Soldiers. By the mid-1950s, nearly 5,000 veterans call this campus home. The chapel served as a place where veterans were able to find solace and peace.
We are standing outside of the main entrance to the North Chapel, which was known as the Catholic Chapel. We're standing here on the south side. This was the Protestant chapel side on the National Register nomination that's listed as the Catholic Protestant Chapel. It's an unusual building in that there's two chapels under the same roof. It is now and has remained ever since the oldest standing building on Wilshire Boulevard. Siding that you see, all the horizontal board siding, was originally stained redwood. Sometime in the 1920s that was painted white. The windows always were white. The exterior woodwork and trim and detailing is really rare. The condition of the building has been deteriorating over time. There have been a number of pieces and details that have fallen off the building, and south transept of the South Chapel on the west side of the building, you can see a cross has fallen over.
The 1887 Fund is embarking on a fundraising effort to help restore this historic treasure. Once complete, it will serve as a beacon of hope for all veterans.
With that restoration, we think we can help the VA and frankly our country give back to veterans what they deserve and what they've earned, really by setting off a cascade of redevelopment on this majestic campus back to what it used to be.